Once you purchase your e-sticker, you will almost instantaneously receive an email that looks similar to this. And this has the product information, the product download link, the product reg code, and then also a link to the manual. If you don't see this email after a couple of minutes, check your spam folder and see if it's stuck in there. Sometimes they automatically sweep into spam based on your actual spam settings. If you don't find it at all, just please contact us. There's a contact form on our website. So what you want to do first is just click on this link here to download your product, and that will download something that looks similar to this. It's the executable file that you'll use to install the sticker. It might say something a little bit different based on the product that you've purchased. Now, one tip here is this reg code right here. If you will go ahead and just highlight it and copy it, it's going to make it a whole lot easier when you go to do the install. And again, if you want to download the manual, you can click right here, or our manuals are also on our website as well. So what you'll do is you'll double click on this installer and click on next, agree to the terms, click on next, and you can see right here it's already populated this registration code for me because I did that copy trick first. And you'll simply enter your name and your company name, and then next. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine installed. And then when that's done, you have installed your sticker and you are ready to start using your e-sticker.